Hello, everyone. From the articles that we have reviewed this week, my position is that relational databases are here to stay. They're going to be still dominating the market for a long time. And for the future, they are going to be very impactful in business, especially e-commerce. So just as a recap, a database is a place where you can store and organize all the data and information that you collect. And a relational database is a database where uh, is a set of tables with predefined relationships among them. And some of the most popular relational databases that we have today include things like Oracle, DB2, MySQL, Informix, Ingress, Microsoft SQL, and the MariaDB. And some of the advantages of relational database that appear commonly across all the four articles that we have read this week is that it is very secure, it is well documented, and it is stable, and it works well with a lot of modern libraries. And the reason why I think relational databases are the future, and they're going to play a very important role in the future, is primarily for me is because of their numerical characteristics. So for the future, their role in business is going to be big because business will always be about numbers, and I don't think that is going to change anytime soon. So relational databases are very good with the store working with the numerical values, and assume something like eBay, for example, or hospital, CVS. All the stores are actually today they do online business, and the moment you order something from a store, online store, you will always have the dates in there, your zip code, your billing address, your order status, your customer ID, your order ID. All those are numerical values, something that relational databases are very good at working with. So for the future, I think relational databases are still going to play a very important role in business because of their ability to work well with values, numerical values. And the other thing I think for the future they're going to play a very important role is e-commerce. E-commerce has become such a big thing, especially with the advent of Amazon and eBay and social media business. A lot of stores these days run social media accounts where they can sell for you stuff through Instagram, Twitter, all of them. And for that, relational databases come very handy because mostly is their expansion features. A lot of them from Microsoft SQL, Ingress, Informix, they have evolved over time to expand their features to ensure high quality security. Remember, the previous week we talked about some of the companies that have been hacked, and we realized hacking is very common these days. It's very easy to compromise customer data. And one thing that relational databases offer is security of information. So some of the expansion features they have come up with include things like automated backups, automated encryption patches, automated replication of data, and the capacity to increase and do updates while the database is still available for use and you can use it from anywhere in the world. So I think the more they are upgrading their features and automating them is ensuring high quality security for a lot of users, something that is very attractive, and it ensures security of customers, especially in the age of e-commerce. It will play a very big role in expanding e-commerce market. And the other thing for them is playing important role in business in the future will have to do with the ability to recover data. Relational databases, it is easy to recover data very easily compared to the NoSQL database. and it ensures very convenient recovery of data so that it is not compromised. And one thing that I learned about, I liked about this one is that the data administrator can allow one privileged user to come into the database. They can insert, they can delete data, they can modify data. This will always ensure high quality of security of information, especially in the age of e-commerce business. And also these days we see a lot of countries are going to online elections. A lot of countries are investing millions of dollars to do electronic voter systems. And one thing we've known with the electronic voter systems is they can easily be compromised. So when you use in the future things like relational databases where only privileged users can come in and uh, they take care of the database, it's easy to run clean, credible, and verifiable elections, for example. So this is where I see relational databases playing an important role. And also the other thing is with the growth of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence requires gathering information from so many databases, and that is something that relational databases is very good at. You can collaborate and integrate data from other sources. For example, a lot of languages, machine learning languages today like R, they come in with an inbuilt package for MySQL, so it makes it easy to collaborate and integrate data from other sources. The other thing with this type of database for the future in business, it plays a very key role in securing information, uh, especially with doing things like cloud computing. Cloud computing has become such a big thing right now, and as we all know, is Microsoft is offering cloud computing, is one of the places where you can get uh, cloud computing, and this makes data migration very easy. There is no the physical hassle of transferring data from one point to the other. Cloud computing is big in business right now, and data migration becomes very easy if you have large sets of data sets and large large sets of information. Migrating it from one source to the other becomes very easy with a relational database. So I would say it is going to play a key role in the future in artificial intelligence, in e-commerce, and in the business of securing data for clients. That is it. Thank you.